What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to lock or disable your USB ports on your computer to disable your USB drives. So here's, for example, if we plug in our USB drive into our computer, we'll get this message autoplay, and then if we open our file explorer and then go to this PC, you can see this is the flash drive I just plugged in, and if we double click on it, we can see what's inside the flash drive. I'll show you how to disable that. For example, if you don't want anybody to copy any kind of data from your computer, or you don't want your kids just start plugging in flash drives into your computer, maybe they're infected or something, or maybe for some reason you just don't want anybody to access USB drive on your computer. So here's what we need to do. Open your internet browser and then go to this website, and I'll put link in the description below, and then click on download. Once this window is going to appear, just click on OK. Once the download is complete, you can run it from here, or we'll just go to our download folder, and then in here, right click on it, and then click extract all, and then click on extract. Then the next folder is going to open up, and this is the program that we're going to use, USB Disk Manager. Double click on it, and it's going to start running. And if nothing is going to appear, just right click on it and click on Preferences. Then this window is going to appear, and right here you can click on Disable USB and see it says Enable. We can click on Disable and just press OK. Now if we go back to this PC and we unplug the flash drive and we plug it back in, you will hear Windows is making a sound, but nothing is showing up over here. Then you refresh, and nothing is actually popping up. So then what you can go back to this program and click on Preferences, and in here you can click on Settings, and you can set automatically start when I logged into Windows, apply only for a current user, or you can automatically copy this application to USB disk on a startup, and then disable Windows Auto Run for USB disks. Then there's also a couple of other options right here. Execute denied. You can deny any applications from USB drive. So for example, if someone's gonna plug in their USB drive, you can allow them to view, but it will prevent from them running any kind of programs. And then right protect. For example, if you're gonna turn this on and someone's gonna use a flash drive, they're not gonna be able to copy any of your data from your computer to their flash drive. They're gonna be able to read and view their flash drive, but they're not gonna be able to write anything on it. And like I showed you in the beginning, you can just disable USB removable disk at all. So this is one of the free programs. There's actually multiple of them. I'll put all links in the description below, because some of them is for Windows and there is actually one free one for Linux as well. Unfortunately, I did not find free one for Mac. And this is pretty much it. With this free software, you can disable flash drive, you can disable executable files, or you can disable copying data on a flash drive. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.